Now the next drug is Letermovir. Now what Letermovir actually is, Letermovir is a drug against cytomegalovirus. Now first of all, what happens in cytomegalovirus is the DNA of cytomegalovirus, it is normally produced as a big molecule single repeating strand, a big molecule, and this must be cut down to small molecules, individual viral genomes, by DNA terminase complex. So basically DNA terminase complex is required to make the individual DNAs so that the virus can mature. So simply when DNAs are broken, only then the virus will mature and it can cause infection. So Letermovir basically it inhibits this DNA terminase complex. It inhibits DNA terminase complex. So it is used for cytomegalovirus. Now again the most important question, how to remember? And again you can remember, it is TER means terminase complex, DNA terminase complex inhibitor, and it is acting by inhibiting the maturation of the virus. It inhibits the maturation of cytomegalovirus by inhibiting the DNA termination complex. Clear?